guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from Motorola G30. First up, open the Google Play Store, tap on the search bar and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. Pass the setup and allow a permission. Now click on the plus and choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from my gallery. Just select it and click on the import. Now you can add this as shape to your document. Then you can choose the filter for your photo. If you're ready, click on the accept icon. Choose the country from the list and type the number in this place. To send the message, just click on this button and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend and goodbye.